Baba, is it outside of the glass or is it inside? Inside?
So they're actually very invasive.
Are these fish?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Follow a guy who tries to, because they have no predators.
Oh, okay, yeah. That makes sense.
Oh, that's a tigerfish, I think. Red lionfish. They're poisonous or venomous.